Oh, you see it? Yeah. Now we in my baby. And my boy Oscar taking it out. I guess we can do a review of my trucks. I've never had one. I never did a review.
Yeah.
So first impression on the truck.
Luxurious, man. Big old Tesla looking screen.
Look at this big ass screen, man. Yeah, this is really what got me. This is the screen and this big ass roof. This panoramic roof here is what really got me in this truck. I mean, obviously it's always nice to have a big vehicle, a big truck. I love my Camaro, no doubt, but I feel like I just outgrown it, you know. I was just getting too damn big, and since it was dropped, my knees ain't that good anymore, so having to get in and out. But I still loved it. But you know, I upgraded to this, and I love it, you know. But yeah, the screen definitely is what got me. You know, you can do all kinds of shit with the screen. Oh, look, Felix, this is what I was telling you. You can do a backup camera.
What?
And you could zoom in. So like if you're like towing some shit, you can see. You know. But yeah, you got the maps. We do the heated seats, heated steering wheel, fucking maps. If you want to find, I don't know, gas prices, whatever, they'll tell you about the brand,
so
price.
Too, like...
You can call them whatever. You can look at movie prices, movie listings. Like there's so much stuff that you can do. Weather alerts, all kinds of stuff, you know. But yeah, so this is one of the selling points was the screen. Obviously the roof too, and there's so much space too. Like,
let me show him back.
Felix, show him back there. All the room.
See, I'm sitting comfortably back here, and I still got room back here.
And my brother sits here, so my brother's like 6'2". So he reclines the seat back. Okay, look how much room I got down here, and Felix still has room back there.
I'm a whole 6 foot, and look at all
yeah,
the space
look all the space he's got, and I mean room everywhere, bro. So it's very roomy. That's no doubt about it, you know. And of course, it's got the Hemi 5.7, so even if I need to give it a little pickup, I can still do it. I mean, you can give it a little some at a stop, and do what you do. I mean, if you can handle the Hellcat, you should be able to handle the Hemi in this one.
Smooth.
Yeah, that's one thing I like too, is the smooth. And at night, you really can't tell right now, but the light output from the headlights, bro, it's ridiculous. It is crazy. Like, it illuminates everything. For a truck, I mean, you know, not too bad, you know. He almost ran over a dog, y'all. But yeah, you know. So this is a little review on my baby since we never did one. I'm doing one now. My boy Oscar behind the wheel, enjoying it, something different from his kitty.
Missing the trunk lamp, I can tell you that.
Yeah, he had a clean ass Chevy. No, a GMC, right?
Silverado.
The Silverado, yeah, he has that Silverado.
6th edition.
It was nice. I missed that one. It was clean. And so he definitely knows about the truck life. But now he joined the kitty. I mean, who knows? You know, with the baby on the way, might get back in the truck. And of course, he's Mopar gang, so can't go wrong with a Mopar, bro. Now we gotta get Felix, cause
to the Mopar gang.
Get him in the Mopar gang, cause he's Chevy GMC right now. But it's all right. It's all right. I mean, I'm still a Chevy deep, you know, in my heart.
Yeah.
I'm always gonna have a special place for Chevy.
No, for sure.
You know, but I don't know, man. There's something about this damn Dodge and Mopar that just.
Dodge is doing it right.
Really.
Trucks to like the sports car, you see the Hellcat.
Yeah. So.
Look at that turning, easy.
Yeah, the turning radius is good, right?
Look at that. Perfect.
You feel it like braking for, like parking for you.
Yeah.
See the parking brake even engaged already?
Yeah. So there it is. That's my baby. Reaction to it?
Badass truck, man. Perfect for a daily driver.
Oh yeah.
Smooth. No noise. Just drive it and go.
Let's go. I mean, but You got the kitty, bro. But I can see you in the truck soon.
Yeah.
Just keep dodging mine. Keep Mopar. Felix, you up next, bro. Yeah, so that's my baby. Big ass Ram. Ram gang. Big ass bitch, man. So much fucking room in here. Yes, sir. Yes, all this room. Then all this back room. So much space for extracurricular activities. Haha. Yes, sir. That's my baby. Up next, the Z.